Even though we flipped over the calendar to a new month today, there's very little change in the weather at the moment, with moisture still remaining over the far northeastern part of the country, possibly bringing in some morning drizzle along the northeastern escarpment. The rest of South Africa is under the influence of a large high-pressure system. Now that stabilizes atmospheric conditions, allowing for blue skies and lots of sunshine, with that sunshine steadily warming up daytime highs. We also have an offshore flow along the majority of South Africa's coastline, resulting in a warm Thursday. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with a dry forecast across South Africa, except for that slight chance of drizzle along the northeastern escarpment, but that's mainly on Thursday morning. On our maximum temperature map, you'll see the shade of red moving in along South Africa's coastline, with a delightful Thursday in store. 26 for Cape Town, George and Port Elizabeth, and Bishu and East London also heading into the mid-20s. Mild for Kimberley and Dar at 21, still cool for Johannesburg at 17 degrees, 20 for Bombela and Mahikeng, just below that for Polokwane and Pretoria, both at 19, and a wonderful winter's day for KwaZulu-Natal with maximum temperatures in the mid-20s, and Vredendal warms up to 31. Now, although we're expecting lots of sunshine and warm daytime highs along the west coast, we're expecting moderate beach conditions, and that's due to that fresh wind, and that is between 30 and 35 kilometers per hour. And along the west coast, we're expecting a 2-meter open ocean swell with wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. Great beach weather as we head along the southwest coast, with light to moderate winds with more of a northerly component to that wind. And here we're expecting a 2.5 meter southwesterly swell with wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. Along the south coast, we can still expect that northerly offshore component to the wind, with a wind speed of 20 kilometers per hour for Plettenberg Bay and Port Elizabeth. Good beach conditions here with a 2.5 meter swell and wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. Along the east coast, we can expect lots of sunshine and warm daytime highs, with a light northeasterly wind for Richards Bay and Durban, more of a light northerly for East London, but that's in the morning, and that picks up to a northeaster in the afternoon. For the wild coast, we can also expect a moderate northerly wind with a 1.5 meter southerly swell along the east coast and wave heights between 2 and 3 feet.
News that moves. eNCA.com.